This disadvantage of eating late night food, if you are fond of eating your dinner towards 8, 9, 10, 11, please listen. Number one, it can make you to gain weight, especially belly fat. Number two, it can lead to acid reflux. Number three, it can cause digestive discomfort. And number four, it can lead to high blood sugar. Number five, it can disturb your sleep. When you eat late at night, you may not be able to sleep well. And the last one, it can lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease or even diabetes type 2. Please avoid late night food. Bye.